Hello, I'm in my car crocheting, bit of car crochet. This scarf has been going on for months and months, but I love it. This is the yarn. Can't remember where I got it from or what it's called, but I'll try and do some research and find it. And it's a triple treble scarf. So what you do is do your chain to the width of what you want. So obviously when this goes on, it's really chunky, and it's so nice. Kind of an Aran, but not quite Aran feel. So do your width of your chain that you want, and then I go up 4 chain at the side, and then it's twisted triple treble. So you go around twice. No, you don't. You go around 3 times, and then you go in to you miss one, and you go in to that next one, and you go yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, and yarn over through 2. So this missed one is where we're going to work into next. So we're going to do round 3 times, and you go behind and kind of utch over and then back into the front to make that twist. I'll show you again a couple of times. This is so effective because you get a 3D effect. So let me show you close up. Can you see the 3D? I don't know how to show you that, but in between each one it's got a twisted bit. So I'll show you again. So around 3 times and in, round through 2, round through 2, round through 2, round through 2. It's a really therapeutic project, this, because it's easy. I take this to my craft group because I can do it and sit and chat, and I don't have to worry about counting or any kind of pattern. There's nothing in between each stitch, so there's no chains in between. You just naturally get that gap. So in that miss one and in that one, through 2, through 2, through 2, through 2. So round 3 times, and then you're going round the back of the one you just did, and into the front of the one that you missed. You could do this with double trebles, triple trebles. It's really effective. It's probably my favourite stitch or pattern. So I hope that's inspired you to make something. You could make a bag out of this pattern, you could make a purse, but it does make an absolutely beautiful scarf. I'll try and find what the yarn is, and I shall look at it. It's beautiful, it's mottled, and I'll pop a link in the description if I find it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you can subscribe as I try and grow the channel. Really appreciate it. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.